Hey everyone! If you're seeing the too many attempts error on your Telegram app, don't worry, I've got you a quick and easy fix for you in this video. So first of all, this error usually shows up when you try to log in multiple times with the wrong code. The first thing you should do is wait at least 24 hours without trying again. Telegram blocks further attempts as a security measure. While you wait, you want to go ahead and open up your settings application on your mobile device. Go ahead and tap on General, then tap on iPhone storage inside your software Telegram, and then tap on it. Inside here, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. Doing this will help you free up the storage used by Telegram and will also help you clear the cache. Once you have uploaded it, go ahead and simply tap on Reinstall the app. So after you've done that, you want to go ahead and head back to your home screen, and then open up your App Store. Then search for Telegram Messenger. On this page, if you see Update instead of Open, go ahead and tap Update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you have done that, the next step you can try is using a different network or VPN. If you're still blocked after 24 hours, switch your Wi-Fi to mobile data or use a VPN to change your IP address. Telegram may be flagging your network. After you've done that as a last resort, you can go ahead and simply visit Telegram support, explain your issue, and request a manual unblock. It might take time, but it works. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.